Hello everybody, this is Family English with Mr. Kabara. At this time, I'm going to publish a new 12, especially grade 12 English model questions. The number of questions are 60. Variety of questions, it consists actually. So try to just contact or use this phone number if you want to contact me. So let me start. Yeah, there are preconditions before I'm going to explain about the different types of questions. The first, I'll give you a shorter time to answer the questions in order to just evaluate how much you are clever enough, you are wonderful enough to answer, or how much you are close to English language skills. And then I'm intended to answer the question with clear explanation. And finally, I'll give a short summary for the questions. A number of questions are 60 questions. I think all the questions are original questions, and I haven't copied a question from any reference books. All the questions are from myself, so I think it will help you. And don't forget to watch my YouTube and subscribe, like, share, and write comments to Family English Language. I will communicate with you through my contact address or my Telegram or my email address. So the first question here is, one of the students blank the country since September. Yeah, has left, have left, is left, and left here. Take a time to answer the question, please. Yeah, exactly. If you answer has left, you got the answer because the question is subject verb agreement problem. One of plus plural noun phrase, one of plus word. The correct structure of one of plus plural noun phrase always true. So you can just deal or make or just explain about one from the very many number of students for a very number of people. So it's always take about singular verb. That's true, please. Yeah. A subject verb agreement problem ነው ምንድነው ማለቱ one of ሁልጊዜ ስትራክቸሩ plural noun ነው የሚጠቀሙት ወይም plural noun phrase ነው የሚጠቀመው። ስለዚህ ከአሉት ብዙ ተማሪዎቹ ስለ አንዱ ተማሪ ብቻ ስለሆነ ማወራው ሲንጉለር ቨርብ አግሪ እናደርጋለን። ሌሎች ቨርቦች appropriate አይደሉም ማለት ነው። Question number 2, blank. Most of the students depend on artificial intelligence to make their work easy and effective. The distractors are untenable, untenably, to untenably, for untenable. So what is the answer here? Take a short time to answer the question. Yes, if you answer untenably, you got the answer, and you are on the right line, please. What I want to explain about this is called sentence adverb. Sentence adverb. It was to give just an emphasis to not only the verb, not only the subject, but the whole sentence. Yeah. የዚህ ጥያቄ መልስ የሚሆነው የአድቨርብ ጥያቄ ነው፣ ፓርት ኦፍ ስፒች ጥያቄ ነው። ስለዚህ አንድኔብሊ ስንል ሰንተንስ አድቨርብ ነው ወይም ኤምፋሲስ አድቨርብ ነው የምንለው። ሙሉ አረፍተ ነገሩን ኤምፋሲስ እንዲሰጥ ሊያደርግ የሚችል አድቨርብስ ኦፍ ማነር ነው የምንለው ይሄ። ስለዚህ መልሳችሁ አንድኔብሊ ነው። አንድኔብል አድጀክቲቭ ነው። ቱ አንድኔብሊ ሮንግ ስትራክቸር ነው። ፎር አንድኔብል ሮንግ ስትራክቸር ነው። they never come at the introductory of the sentence and they never complete the question. So undeniably or honestly speaking, truthfully, all these are apparently, all these are examples of sentence adverbs ነው የምንላቸው. They most of the time come at the beginning of the sentence, but because they want to give emphasis for the whole sentence. Okay, እንደዚህ አይነት አድቨርቦች ሰንተንስ አድቨርብ ናቸው። ምክንያቱም አረፍተ ነገሩ ላይ ሙሉ አረፍተ ነገሩ ላይ አጽንኦት መስጠት ሲፈልጉ ራሳቸውን ከኮማ ለይተው አረፍተ ነገሩ ሙሉ አጽንኦት ይሰጡታል። ስለዚህ undeniably ኮምፕሊት የሆነ ወርድ ነው፣ አረፍተ ነገሩን ኮምፕሊት ያደርጋል። Question number 3, the guy blank on television was the most popular political activist ነው የሚላቸው። I watched, that I watched, which I watched, of which I watched. Take a short time to answer the question, please. Yes. Nice. If you answer that I watched B, exactly you got the answer because the question is on relative pronouns. Relative pronoun. That I watched. The word that is a relative pronoun which substitutes with the word who and the word which. In this case, the guy is a kind of person, so the appropriate relative pronoun here is that. The guy I wished አይደለም የምንለው ኦኬ the guy I wished ብንል የሚፈልገው ነገር አለ ይሄ ሪላቲቭ ዲፋይንግ ሪላቲቭ ክሎዝ ነው ይሄ ዲፋይንግ ሪላቲቭ ክሎዝ ደግሞ የአረፍተ ነገሩን ሜን ክሎዝ the guy was the most popular political activist የሚለውን የአረፍተ ነገር ባለቤቱን the guy የሚለውን አይደንቲፋይ ዲፋይን ስቴት ማድረግ ስላለበት ይሄን ሪላቲቭ ፕሮናውን ስለሚወስድ አረፍተ ነገሩ የሪላቲቭ ፕሮናውን ወይም የሪላቲቭ ክሎዝ ኩዌስችን ነው ስለዚህ the guy that I watched on television የሚለው define relative clause ነው define የሚያደርገው ደግሞ what kind of guy የሚለውን particular subject identify ስለሚያደርግ appropriate መልሳችን that I watched ብቻ ነው የሚሆነው ሲናዲ የአረፍተ ነገሩ ባለቤት person ነው እነዚህ ግን የሚገልጹት things and animals ነው out of the distractors ናቸው completely question number 4 all the villagers help one another during the wedding and others but blank are unfriendly none of them one of them none of them neither of them any of them yeah read the question critically and try to answer please is a kind of word special indefinite pronouns nice if you answer B actually right answer none of them because if you use just all any and none if you are talking about person more than two beginning of story until the infinite number of people if you are talking about things more than two until the infinite number of things that's always true please neither both either things or person which are limited only two all right if you use just all which has positive meaning any of them none which has negative meaning actually so that's the rationale of the villagers we can say villagers more than 100 people in a village in a very narrow small district here so but none of them the first one there is a conjunction but here it means the idea that you insert here is negative with the first statement but ስንጠቀም ከመጀመሪያው ሐሳብ ጋር ተቃራኒ የሆነ ሐሳብ እንደሆነ ፍንጭ ሊሰጠን የሚችል አያያዝ ቃል ስለሆነ የግድ but ስናየው none of them የሚለውን ሴንስ መምረጥ አለብን ቀደም ልክ እንዳልኩ neither of them ምትሉ ከሆነ እዚህ ጋር የምናወራው ጉዳይ አትሊስት ሁለት ሰዎችን ወይ ሁለት ነገሮችን ብቻ መወሰን መቻል አለበት ምክንያታቸው የሆነ ነገር ዘመተቀበበት ነው ሁሉም በተለያዩ ነገሮች ይረዳዳሉ አንድም unfriendly ወይም ያለ መረዳዳት ብቸኝነትን ዴቨሎፕ ያደረገ መንደረኛ ያለ ለማለት ተፈልጎ ነው exactly true question number 5 the expression that used during the presentation is blank and everyone is bored about it senseless sensing sensed and sensational take a short time to answer the question please yeah great if you answer A absolutely right yeah because there is a clue and an information here which pushes you to answer the question senseless because everyone is bored about it yeah because everyone is bored about it, which is the expression that he used during his presentation is senseless actually yeah ምክንያቱም እዚህ ጋር ያለው አረፍተ ነገር ፍንጭ ሰጣችሁ ስለሆነ senseless የሚለውን adjective እንድትመርጡ ያደርጋቸዋል exactly that's true question number 6 the house riding game blank the riders ride needs special skills which in which where and whom relative pronoun question yes if you answer in which absolutely right because the question needs emphasis ምንድን ማለት ነው ማለት በተለይ ካሉት ሪላቲቭ ፕሮናውንስ ውስጥ whom እና which በስተወስቱ አንዳንድ ጊዜ preposition to እና in ይወስዳሉ ሁለቱም to whom ልል ይችላል to whom and for whom ልል ይችላል in which to which and especially relative pronouns ናቸው ምን ማለት ነው መግለጽ የሚገባውን ሰብጀክት emphasis መስጠት ስፈልግ ይሄንን preposition plus whom preposition plus which sometimes appropriate structure ነው ያ ማለት preposition plus who prepositional plus that prepositional plus whose prepositional plus ሌሎቹን አይጠቀሙም ማለት ነው ለዛ ነው in which the riders እዚህ ጋር ነው አስተዋጽኦ መስጠት የፈለኩት ለዛ ነው in which መጠቀም የተፈለገው so the answer is B question number 7 the political leader blank their opponent's parties by presenting clear and workable manifestos, yeah, workable agendas, political agendas, yeah. Just aim to defending, aim to defend, aim defending, yeah. Yes, what will be the answer, please? Take your turn to answer the question. Nice. Fantastic. If you answer B, exactly true. Let me explain it here. Aim, hope, intend, inclined, plus infinitive word to, plus the base form of the verb is always true, please. Yeah. ልክ ነው። እነዚህ አሁን የዘረዘርኳቸው ቨርቦች ሁሉ ጊዜ an infinitive plus base form of the verb ነው የሚጠቀሙት። aim to do, aim to do, aim to defend, aim to play, aim to speak, aim to solve, aim to puzzle, just like that. ይሄ ነው የሚጠቀመው። ስለዚህ aimed ማለት inclined or tended to do something ለማለት ነው። yes, the political leader aim to defend their opponent, inclined to defend the opponent parties by presenting a clear and meaningful political agendas. Also the answer is aim to defend, aim to defending, wrong no, defending, wrong no, aim defending, meaningless expression ናቸው ሌሎቹ። so እነዚህ የዘረዘርኳቸው በዚህ መልክ sense አድርጓቸው please. Life in the big city is expensive, yeah. Life in a big city is expensive. I plan to send my children in a better school. I found it difficult, more difficult and difficult. Yeah, so what's the answer here? What's the answer here? Okay, take a time to answer the question. Nice. If you answer B, exactly, yeah. I found means life, expensiveness of life in a big city. I found. Right? I found የሚገልጸው የዚህ ጋር ያለውን ኮንቴክስት ነው የሚገልጸው። I found it object ነች። ማን ነው የሚገልጸው? expensive የሚለውን adjective ነው የሚገልጸው። difficult ማለት ደግሞ እዚህ ጋር ያለው ነገር የምፈልገውን ነገር ማሰራት አልቻለም ነው ሴንሱ። I found difficult. What I found difficult? No object is received here. More difficult is completely wrong. It's not a kind of comparative article. More difficult similar. Difficult meaningless word no. It doesn't complete the question. I found it difficult ማለት found plus object ይፈልጋል። then ምንድነው ይሄ difficult? ስለዚህ መርሳች ማለት I found it difficult. The answer please. Taking an online university entrance examination blank a great role for qualification. Is played, playing, has played, was played. This is a tense question actually. A tense question. So what will be the answer here? If you answer C, absolutely right here, because the present perfect here. Taking an online university entrance examination has played a great role for qualification, because there is a result here. The result is we are on the way to get qualification. That's the result. And there is an entrance examination. Of course, that's the result actually. So the D was played, which is past passive voice. That's not the answer. Is played, present passive. That's not the answer. Playing is gerund form. All the rest distractors are not the answer. But the right active present perfect form is has played. So the question is true, and the answer is also true, which is parallel here. Question number 10. At this time next week, I blank my birthday with my friends. Yeah. Look, the idea of the question. At this time next week, I blank my birthday with my friends. We celebrate, we'll be celebrating, I'm celebrating, I'm going to celebrate. Nice, please, yeah. Think of the question first, and what will be the kind of distractors here? Yes, right. If you answer, I think B, correct you are, because at this time next week, an action will be happening, will be taking place in a certain time in the future. አንድርጌት በተወሰነ ሰዓት እየተከናወነ የሚቆይ ይሆናል ብዬ ባስቀምጥ ከሆነ ማወራ ከሆነ ፊውቸር ኮንቲኒዩስ ማለት ነው። ለምሳሌ ነገ በዚህ ሰዓት ተማሪዎችን እያስተማርክ ቆያለሁ ካልኩ ፊውቸር ኮንቲኒዩስ ማለት ነው። ኦር ከዚህ ክላስ በኋላ ወደ ቤት እየሄድኩ ቆያ ወይም ፊልም ያለሁ ምል ከሆነ ፊውቸር ኮንቲኒዩስ ነው። ስለዚህ ኤክስፔክትድ የሆነ ታይም አለ እዚህ ጋር at this time next week ነው ያልኩት። ስለዚህ at this time next week ስል ኢቨንቱ እዚህ ጋር ያለው አክቲቪቲ የሚከናወን ኢቨንት ነው። ሾርት አክሽን አይደለም። ስኬጁልም አይደለም። ኦፍ ኮርስ ያ ተከናውኖ የሚያልቅ ነገር አይደለም፣ ግን እየተከናወነ የሚቆይ ኢቨንት ስለሆነ will be celebrating የሚለውን ሴንስ ወይም የሚለውን future continuous tense እንጠቀምበታለን ነው። We'll celebrate, I'm celebrating, I'm going to celebrate. They do not complain for the question because they have different purpose here. And the other question here is question number 11. Agriculture is the final, yes, agriculture is the first most important economic base for the country. Agriculture is the first most important economic base for the country. Nice. People in the country are always complaining about the price of a loaf of bread. Definitely a meaningful question, please. Yes, right. Moreover, however, in case, and though. These are conjunctions, questions for conjunction. Moreover, however, though, in case, so anyway, take your time and to answer the question, please. Nice it is. If you answer however, absolutely right, because the ideas are opposite or contrast ideas, and this however is conjunctive adverbs. Yeah, conjunctive adverbs are they are preceding with semicolon and followed by a comma, and preceding not only that actually, but the two clauses are main clause here. One is not dependent on the other, and the two clauses are main clause, and it's better to combine this however. Look at the question. Agriculture, the first most important economic base for the country. However, people are always complaining about the price of a loaf of bread. This is a contrast view for the first one, please. Yeah? ምንም እንኳ የሀገሪቱ ኢኮኖሚ በአግሪካልቸር ላይ በግብርና ቢመሰረትም በአንድ ዳቦ ዋጋው ማህበረሰቡ ሁልጊዜ ኮምፕሌን ያነሳል ነው። ይሁን እንጂ ማህበረሰቡ ኮምፕሌን ያመሳል። ስለዚህ ሁለቱ ሐሳቦች የተቃረቡ ናቸው። ምክንያቱም አግሪካልቸራል ፕሮዳክት የሀገሪቱ ቤዝ ኢኮኖሚ ከሆነ ኮምፕሌን ሊያነሳ አክሰሰብል መኖር አለበት ማለት ነው። አክሰሰብል ፉድ ፕሮዳክት መኖር አለበት ነው አይደል? ነገር ግን በተቃራኒ ነው አለ ካለን however, nonetheless, nevertheless, while the right conjunctive adverbs ናቸው. I think that's true, please. Question number 12. Blank building the digital library in the town is a precious idea that makes it modern and accessible in reference books. Definitely. From my point of view, as a rule, as it is started, despite the fact that. All right, yeah, read the question and understand it. Try to count the distractors, what the correct distractor is. Holding digital library in the town is precious idea that makes it modern, accessible in reference books. Yeah. If you answer A, exactly, from my point of view, ልክ ነው። ሌሎቹ as a rule አይደለም የምንለው as is stated አይደለም የምንለው despite the fact that ማለት ተቃራኒ ሐሳቦች ሲሆኑ ነው despite the fact that የምጠቀመው። as a rule የምጠቀምበት ከሆነ ደግሞ የሆነ ሊያሳምን የሚገባ stated የሆነ rule ሲኖር ነው as a rule የምጠቀመው። ይሄ ግን as a rule አይደለም አይደለ? as it is stated ከሆነ ደግሞ ሐሳብ የሆነ opinion የሆነ ነገር state ማድረግ ከሆነ as it is stated in the table above ቴብሉ ላይ የሆነ መረጃ ካለ ቴብሉ ላይ ያለው መረጃ state ማድረግ ከሆነ ተጠቀማለሁ። from my point of view ግን someone's personal perspective ነው actually. as I know, as I see, as I feel, as I understand, as I guess, from my understanding, these are someone's personal ወይም በሌላ አገላለጽ ኦፒኒየን አድቨርብስ እንለዋለን። ይሄን ፕሊዝ ኦፒኒየን አድቨርብስ ነው የምንላቸው። ስለዚህ እነዚህ ኦፒኒየን አድቨርቦች as introductory word እንጠቀምባቸዋለን። introductory phrase ናቸው. so it is important to express about building digital life. It's not a rule, it's not just something stated idea, it's someone's perspective actually. So the answer here is from my point of view. Nice. Question number 13. It was a fake. I wish he blanked me the fact. It was a fake. I wish he blanked me the fact. I told, has told, and he had told, and he was told. Nice. All right, what's the answer here? If you answer B, absolutely right you are, because it was a fake. The result here, it was a fake. It talks about regretting the past. If you are regretting about the past, wish plus past perfect is absolutely true. Absolutely true. እዚህ ጋር ፓስት ነው የተቀመጠው ሪግሬሽኑ I wish plus past perfect አንዱ የፓስት ፐርፌክት አጠቃቀም ነው ይሄ። ለምሳሌ እዚህ ጋር ያለው it is a fake ብል I told, he told ብዬ ነው የምለው። simple past plus wish present regression አለው። past wish plus past perfect past regression አለው። ይሄ ማለት unfulfilled condition ወይም በሌላ አገላለጽ impossible condition ወይም totally unfinished condition ወይም conditional type 3 ማለት ነው ስለዚህ ፍንጭ የሰጠኝ ጉዳይ it was a fake የሚለው ሴንስ ነው so the answer is past perfect አንዱ የpast perfect አጠቃቀም ነው take he told me that the stakeholders blank their responsibility for striving for quality education nice taken has taken had taken and took I think take a time to answer the question please yeah take a time to answer the question please exactly if you answer C ከመለሳችሁ ትክክል ናችሁ እስቲ the question is past perfect ነው past perfect it is one of the use of past perfect is in using for reported speech ላይ እንጠቀምበታለን past perfect ይሄው he told me that ፍንጭ የሰጣችሁ ጉዳይ እሱ ነው ይሄ ሁለተኛ ኢቨንት ነው የመጀመሪያው ኢቨንት ነው ስቴክሆልደሮች የተሰጣቸውን ግዴታ መወጣታቸውን ነግሮኛለሁ መወጣታቸውን የመጀመሪያ ጉዳይ ነው ለኔ መንገሩ ሁለተኛ ጉዳይ ነው ምን ማለት ነው ማለት one of the use of past perfect is an action had taken place before the second action happened we consider two events here the first event past perfect the second event which is simple past it is true for the given question number 14 so this is an afterward action had taken is the first action totally the question is past perfect obviously so the answer is C ብላችሁ ትመልሱልኛላችሁ I'm on page 67 now along the fiction 3 times so far I'm reading present continuous simple past past continuous and the present perfect yes a short time please yeah if you answer nice have read present perfect you got the answer correct you are right you are please because that is your result here I'm on page 67 now ማለት ያነበብኩ ነው ገጽ 67 ደርሻለሁ ይሄን ፊክሽን 3 ጊዜ አነበብኩት አንብቤው ነበር አይደለም አነበብኩት ነው it answered the question how many and how much የሚለውን ጥያቄ የሚመልስልኝ the present perfect the past perfect and the future perfect but what is different here is the result is present here I'm on page 67 now ካለ present perfect ነው I was on page 67 ካለ past perfect ነው I will be ካለ future perfect ነው እሱ ብቻም አይደለም 3 times how many times have you read the book I have read 3 times exactly because of this justification the answer is have read interesting please the company manager is blank than any other employees in the office yeah most friendly more friendly more friend and friendly so what will be the answer here what will be the answer here nice if you answer more friendly absolutely complete because friendly by itself is not an adverb but it is an adjective yes there are some words which have suffixes ly or end by ly they are adjectives not adverbs አይደሉም ስለዚህ adverb አይደለም adjectives ናቸው ስለዚህ more friendly ነው ለምንድነው ኮምፓራቲቭ ተጠቀምኩት any other employees ማለት there are any other employees as a group and counted as one a group as one እንደ ግሩፕ ሆነው እንደ አንድ ሁለት ነገሮችን ነው ማወዳድረው ማለት ነው that's the rational place ስለዚህ more friendly የተጠቀምኩበት ምክንያት ግሩፑን እንደ አንድ ወሰርኳቸውና ኮምፓራቲቭ ፎርም አደረኳቸው ስለዚህ more friendly ተጠቀማለሁ most friendly አይደለም even most friendly እንኳን ከሆነ the most friendly ይሄን ወርድ ማስወጣት መቻል አለብኝ instead I can insert of or any other words which possibly show about superlative but in this case more friendly is the right comparative degree I think question number 17 people in the world blank by 10% every year increased is increasing will be increasing will increase all right take a short time to answer the question please yes nice if you answer is increasing present continuous absolutely right one of the use of present continuous is it refers about changes increments and the future ለውጥ የዋጋ ለውጥ ሊሆን ይችላል የnumber of population grows ለውጥ ሊሆን ይችላል whatever any kind of change incrementን ምንገልጽበት አንዱ ብቸኛ ቴንሳችን present continuous ነው nothing else ሌላው ቴንስ ሊገልጽ አይችልም the price of goods and items are increasing exactly እየጨመረ ነው after day to day እየጨመረ ነው yes day to day እየጨመረ ነው ስለዚህ is increasing ነው will increase አይደለም ብለው increased አይደለም ብለው is increasing because its increment is just coming and coming yes incremenቱ እየጨመረ እየቀጠለ ይሄዳል ማለት ነው ስለዚህ እሱ ነው ሁለተኛ every time every day every time every morning present continuous present perfect continuous tense ላይ ይሄን time adverb እንጠቀም it's not only for the simple present ብቻ አይደለም every day I have read the book every day all right I have read the book every day of course I have been reading the book every day possible no meaning going to have falso ma ስለዚህ ሁሉ ጊዜ እነዚህ time adverbs definite frequency adverb የምንላቸው ከpresent simple ጋር አታች ሆኖ አይደለም sometimes እንዲህ አይነት context ላይ እንጠቀምባቸው እንችላለን possible no that's please thank you yeah let's come to question number 18 here I have got plan to park my car anywhere I had better drive there and park on the parking yes nowhere anywhere somewhere and where these are place adverb ናቸው indefinite place adverb ነው የምንላቸው እነዚህ ልክ indefinite pronoun እንዳለን ሁሉ indefinite place adverb ነው የምንላቸው ስለዚህ መልሳችሁ nowhere ካላችሁ በጣም ትክክል ናችሁ ነው nowhere ማለት positive verb plus nowhere ምክንያቱም nowhere በራሱ negative meaning ስላለው anywhere ማለት any place ማለት ነው anywhere structure for question እና negative statement እንጠቀምበታለን somewhere ማለት positive meaning ነው positive sentence ላይ እንጠቀምበታለን everywhere ማለት open ነው yes የትኛውም ቦታ positive sentence ላይ እንጠቀምበታለን ለምሳሌ I've got nowhere to park my car I've got nowhere to park my car ማለት I haven't got anywhere to park my car anywhere can I get anywhere to park my car here of course I can see somewhere the front I can see somewhere on the right somewhere there are a lot of free space in the town so I can build my house everywhere I like everywhere these are the different uses of everywhere nowhere somewhere and anywhere absolutely from this the answer is nowhere is true please right question number 19 blank yeah our country will stand on the line of the western country in terms of technology education and others you are believing me you believe me you understand me you convinced me actually there's critical thinking question here take a time to answer the question here yes nice if you answer you believe me ካላችሁ ትክክል ነው a strong feeling ነው ያለው አይደል strong feeling because look the country that there is a change in our country so you believe me our country will stand on the western in terms of technology education and others in terms of infrastructure you believe me but you cannot say you are believing me but you understand me no you understand me it's not such a kind of understanding and unable to understand it's not a matter of convincing by presenting justification by presenting tangible evidences it's not a kind of debating so I cannot say you convinced me it's not a kind of teaching learning in the it's not a kind of just actually and you are believing in me the word believing understand remember forget promise insist on examples of what examples of main words they never take any ing form so you cannot say you are believing me so you believe me this is a strong emphasis strong feeling so it can be stated just like this which is true here it possibly completes the question here nice question number 20 here blank shall be the one who is going to win the global award she took regular exercise trustful trusting trustfully and trust actually the question is either a kind of adjectives or a kind of adverbs but I don't know how you understand the question and how you are going to answer the question here if you answer trustful there must be some word which must be described with the word trustful if you just answer in trusting which is a gerund a kind of present participle but the question doesn't look like a kind of participles trustfully ካላችሁ absolutely አሁንም ልክ ናችሁ trustfully sentence adverb ነው ቅድም መጀመሪያ አካባቢ የጠቀስኳቸው ምክንያቶች justify ያደርጉታል ይሄን trustfully ብለን ነው ማለት ነው please exactly let's come to question number 21 this time a lot of apple seedlings planted on the western and when the weather is rainy yeah transplanting are transplanted and transplant yeah we are talking about apple seedling is no የምናወራው አይደለ ስለ apple seedling yeah take a time to answer the question please yeah if you answer are transplanted absolutely right because the question is present passive voice because you are talking about apple seedling which is the agent the receiver the action but not the odor but not the subject exactly ስለዚህ are transplanted no detailed explanation is required here because it's easy and common question most of the students realize that the value of exit exam is high in terms of quality education claimed this with full justification yeah yes an interesting question yeah an interesting question the question seemed very clear and common I think yeah አብዛኛው ተማሪዎች ስለ ኤግዚት ኤግዛም አፕሪሺየት ያደርጋሉ ጥሩ ነው የትምህርት ጥራትን ያመጣሉ claim that which yeah አንዳንዶች ደግሞ claim full justification claim ሊያደርጋሉ ይሄን ነው የሚለው the others ነው ምንድነው what others just whatever others no others any others no what's the right word here the right word to come with the question these are just contradictory views actually which are present from students exactly if you answer others absolutely yeah others claim this with full justification others claim this with exactly you can say the others whatever others in terms of others no word is given except others means other students yeah other students so the right answer here is others absolutely right question number 23 the scientist invented new invention is on technology whereas the runner won the 10,000 meter race and awarded globally I adore what two popular just persons are present people present purpose are present here the scientist and the runner the firstly the one the former I adore the first I adore firstly I adore the one I adore the former which one do you think really complete this is a kind of sequencing of conjunctions from the and if you just sequence one or two or the third maybe or the fourth which one do you think is right here yeah nice if you answer the former absolutely right ነው ያ የመጀመሪያው ማለት ነው ሳይንቲስቱን አፕሪሺየት አደርጋለሁ because invented አድርጓል አዳዲስ ግኝቶችን ተመራምሯል ማለት ነው አይደል if you say the second of course the third of course the last of course the latter of course yes the latter እነዚህ መልሶች ናቸው እነዚህ ነው የምንጠቀመው ስለዚህ the former ነው የምንለው እንጂ the first አይደለም የምንለው exactly question number 24 I saw my friend one so I must run and drive him to his home since he is late to home I saw my friend John so I must run and drive him to home since he is late home yeah ጓደኛን አየው ስለዚህ በፍጥነት ሄጄ ወደ ቤቱ መሸኘት አለብኝ ወደ ቤቱ በጣም ዘገየ ስል ዲስታንስ ነው a distance ነው the distance ነው and far ነው ምለው that's the question please yeah nice if you answer still አሁንም ቢ ብላችሁ ከመለሳችሁ ልክ ናችሁ I saw my friend a distance so I must run and drive him to his home a distance for distance five a distance to a distance in a distance no a distance ማለት በርቀት ማለት ነው yes I saw my friend a distance from here so I must run I must rush on drive him to his home because he's late his father will be angry with him his exact time to enter to home is maybe 12:30 or 12 that's right please ስለዚህ መልሳችሁ ቢ ብላችሁ ነው question number 25 most of them appreciate the significance of artificial intelligence blank some more argue about because it develops dependency on it meanwhile whilst in the same way on the contrary appreciate ያደርጋሉ artificial intelligence ሌሎቹ ደግሞ I don't know ሌላው ምን ብለን እንደምንረዳው yeah what will be the answer here if you answer on the contrary you got the answer because some more appreciate and the others on the contrary have more claim that argue that because it develops us dependency on artificial intelligence የራሳችን ዕውቀት እንዳንጠቀምና በአርቲፊሻል ኢንተለጀንስ ጥገኛ ሆነን እንድንማር ያደርገናል ስለዚህ አርጊውመንታቸው ይሄ ነው ለዚህ ነው on the contrary ማለት contrast conjunctive adverb ነው ስለዚህ ዲ ነው I want to tell you one thing do you mind if you lend me your ears for a minute please I want to tell you one thing do you mind if you lend me your ears for a minute please truthfully truthful yes I want to tell you one thing yeah sorry please truthfully Nice, please. Truthfully, adverbs of manner ነው ማን ነው የሚመልስላችሁ? It signifies about the adverb and maybe the adjective and maybe the verb is here. I want you to do something truthfully. ስለዚህ truthfully tell you የሚለውን verb ነው modify የሚያደርግላችሁ። I want to tell you one thing truthful ብዬ አይደለም መልሰው። ስለዚህ truthfully adverbs of manner ነው verb ነው modify የሚያደርግላችሁ. So the answer is truthfully, please. I want to show you one thing. I want to do one thing truthfully. Exactly. And just ከእውነቴ አንድ ነገር ስለ አንድ ነገር ልነግራችሁ ፈልጋለሁ። ስለዚህ ለተወሰነ ሰዓት ጆሮን ብታወሰ ደስ ይለኛል ቅር ማይል ከሆነ of course ልክ ነው። ስለዚህ መንገድ ላይ ነው የሚያተኩረው ለማለት ፈልጌ ነው። Question number 27. Don't tell to anyone about the price. It's ours is the cheap and blank. It's just like a chip. It's just like a steal. Is a steal. Is a stealing is a new brand. Nice. How can you answer the question, please, here? How can you answer the question, please, here? Nice, okay. If you answer, it's just like a steal ካላችሁ በትክክል ጥያቄው መልሳችሁታል ማለት ነው። I think you understand the question, please, yeah. It's just like a steal. I know, can I say this as a way of talking, you know, all right? ከጥያቄው ጽንሰ ሐሳብ ይሄን ጥያቄ ጥቅልል አድርጎ ሊገልጽ የሚችል ሰንተንስ ነው ይሄ። Don't tell anyone about the price. It's too cheap and it's just like a steal, yeah? ለማንም ስለ ዋጋው ለማንም አትናገር። በጣም ርካሽ ነውና ልክ የስርቆት ያክል ነው። ስርቆት ማለት ምንም ገንዘብ ሳታወጣበት እንደምታመጣው ሁሉ ልክ እንደዛ ያክል ነው። አሁን ይሄን ብር አወጣው ገንዘብ ብለን እንዳትል ለማለት ነው ሴንስ የተፈለገው። Great, please. Alex and Bacha accommodation. I know the teacher and he is punctual and committed to his work. Bacha, no. Never and ever. None and ever. Never forever. And nothing. አላ መምህሩ ፐንክቹዋል ነው ዴዲኬትድ ነው። ባልቻ ደግሞ ኖ አንተ በምትለው አይደለም አለው። ምን ማለት ፈልገው ነው? ኔጌቲቭ ፐርሴፕሽን አለው ስለመምህሩ ማለት ነው አይደል? ስለመምህሩ ኔጌቲቭ ፐርሴፕሽን አለው ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ምን ማለት አለበት? never and ever ካላችሁ አብሶሉት ራይት ናችሁ። ያ በፍጹም never and ever ሊሆን አይችልም። ስለዚህ መልሳችሁ ማን ነው የሚሆነው? never and ever። ሌሎቹ impossible to say like this እንደዚህ ብለን ልመልስ አንችልም ማለት ነው። Question number 29. I hope the Renaissance Dam like economic growth creates job opportunity and make the country competent with others in the world. So brings is bringing, will bring, brought. Simple present, simple future, present continuous, and simple past. So I don't know how you are going to answer the question, the tense question actually, but it's easy. Just if you understand what the Renaissance Dam is, you can simply answer the question. Nice. If you answer brings, simple present, because it is permanent use of the Renaissance Dam is what I have listed here. Permanent use of the Renaissance Dam. No temporary uses. It doesn't describe or exclaim about temporary use of the Renaissance Dam. Its permanent use is for economic growth, job opportunity, and the country competent, make the country competent. ስለዚህ permanent situation የሚገልጽ ስለሆነ simple present ነው። simply prediction አያደርግም። at the time of speaking or temporary አይደለም። already an action happened in the past ማለት አይደለም። ስለዚህ ማን ነው መልሳችሁ ማለት ነው? yes። ለምሳሌ the Panama Canal connects the Pacific Ocean and the Atlantic Ocean. permanent situation ማለት ነው። ይሄ ማለት ልክ እንደዛ ነው። ሬኔሳንስ ዳምም ቋሚነት ይሄን ስራ የሚገልጸው በዚህ መልክ ነው። I feel blank because of the complexity of the question. Particularly the writing part. I feel blank, yeah, because of exactly confusing, confusion, confusing, confused, confused. This is a noun and this is confused. As this actually, this is an adjective, yeah? Confusing, present participle, past participle. And what's the answer here? If you answer confused, you got the answer. Confused, the past participle. It clarifies about how somebody feels, yeah. How somebody feels. It doesn't detect about the cause of the feeling, yeah. Cause of the feeling አይደለም የሚገልጸው የሰውየውን ስሜት ነው የሚገልጸው። I feel confused because of the complexity of the question. There are the questions are complexity. The questions are complex. Yes? And I'm confused about the question. Exactly. I'm confused. በጥያቄዎች ኮምፕሌክሲቲ እኔ ኮንፊውዝድ ሆኛለሁ የኔን ስሜት ነው የምገልጽበት ፓስት ፓርቲሲፕል ማለት ይሄ ማለት ነው ስለዚህ መልሳችሁ ዲ ነው ምን ነው The car is old fashioned I want to buy a much blank one newest newer the newest the newer nice question please yeah a nice question so how can you answer please here nice አሁን newest ነው የምትሉት ያ the newest አትሉም much the newest much የሚለው adjective positive adjective then አይወስድላችሁም the newerም አንልም article then አይወስድም newerም comparative ድሩ አይሆንም this car is old fashioned but I want to buy much newest one exactly the poorest እንላለን poorest ያ quickest saddest እንላለን article ሳይኖረው ስለዚህ ይሄን ተረድተን መልሳችን የሚሆነው ማለት ነው newest ብለን መልሳለን question number 32 neither Soliana nor her parents blank here living lives live and has lived subject verb agreement problem question neither Soliana nor her parents blank here living gerund ነው ኮምፕሊት አድርገውም ጥያቄውን simple what's called singular verb ነው but እዚህ ጋር አይደለም live plural verb ነው has lived singular present perfect verb ነው መልሳችሁ ሲ ካላችሁ correct ነው ይሄ subject verb agreement explain ላድርገው a word or a phrase which can be joined either or nor neither nor or either or the verb agrees with the nearer noun of course subject verb agreement problem ሁለት ቪዲዮዎች ፐብሊሽ አድርጌያለሁ clear in detail ነው ማስረዳት የሞከርኩት ከዛ ጋር ማየት የሚቻል nearer noun ማን ነው her parents ነው her parents ደግሞ plural form ናቸው ያሉት ስለዚህ verbu የሚወሰነው በዚህ close በሆነው ለverbu በተጠጋው ስም ስለሆነ ለዚህ ነው plural verb live ብለን የምንመልሰው መልሳችሁ ይሄ ነው ሎጂኩ please question number 33 why do you stare blank me a preposition question here why do you blank stare on stare at stare to stare in so the question is here stare የሚለው adjective ማንን ነው የሚወስደው preposition ነው at ነው የምትወስዱት stare at me ነው የምትሉት stare at me take it please you blank think it's interesting but I think it is ridiculous yeah I think it's ridiculous you may think you might think you should think you will think so what the answer here you should think yeah exactly may እና my unsureness ነው unsureness ነው የሚገልጹ ናቸው will simply prediction ነው you should think it is interesting but I think it is ridiculous you should think it is interesting so the answer is should ብለን መልሳለን question number 35 a number of students blank playing in the hall was is are and has yes take your time to answer the question please hi friends nice if you answer are a number plus plural verb the number plus singular verb a number an individual and as a whole individual in a group yes group ውስጥ ያሉትን እያንዳንዱ ኢንዲቪጁዋል ነው group ውስጥ ያሉት ስለዚህ a number ማለት ጠቅላላ ቁጥሩ ነው የሚወራል the number ካላችሁ ደግሞ እያንዳንዱን specific person ነው individual ነው እያንዳንዱን የሚወራው ስለዚህ a numbers ብለን ስናቅ a number of students ካልኩኝ plural እንጠቀማለን ማለት ነው ስለዛ ነው ስለዚህ are እንጠቀማለን 36 are mad people just criticizing my films the correct passive form or how can you write this sentence in the form of passive voice this is unusual types of passive voice actually የተለመደ አይደለም but sometimes for last round tackle እንደዚህ አይነት critical የሆነ ጥያቄ ሊመጣ እንደሚችል ያው ማሰብ ምንም አያዳግታቸውም please because the questions are sometimes tough የሚሉ ጥያቄዎች ይወጣሉ ያ I don't mind people because I whatever it is you just don't forget the role of passive voice ያ ምንም ይሁን ምን የፓሲቭ ቮይስን አቀያየር ፎርሙን እሱን አንደርስታንድ ማድረግ ካለብን በደንብ መመለስ እንችላለን ማለት ነው I don't mind people because I might feel the correct yes I don't mind having my films criticized I don't mind people criticizing me I don't mind people criticizing me so the answer is what Yeah, if you answer A ካላችሁ ልክ ነው. Because this is an exceptional question and you can just use the noun form of just having and the object is my films and criticize it please. Yeah, having my films, here is the object of the active sentence. My films criticized, and this is simple present, and you can change into the past participle. Having my films criticized. Yeah, criticized. ለምንድን ተጠቀምን ይሄን? because mind የሚለው word negative meaning ነው ጀረንድን ተከትሎ ስለሚሄድ ነው having የተጠቀምኩት having ያመጣው ደግሞ ሐሳቡን እንዲገልጽልኝ ነው having my films criticized ምንም ቅር አይለኝም ፊልሙ ክሪቲሳይዝ ቢደረግ ማለት ነው yes ምንም ቅር አይለኝም ፊልሙ ቢተች ለማለት ስለተፈለገ ነው having ያመጣውት አሁን የሰጠኋችሁም ትርጉም ልክ ነው mind plus noun mind ምናምን ሊሆን አይችልም mind አረፍተ ነገር verb ከተጠቀም ሁሉ ጊዜ ጀረንድን ወይም verb አይንጆችን ተከትሎ ይሄዳል ስለዚህ basically the answer is A ብላችሁ ትመልሳላችሁ it is a blank cheap restaurant and the food is extremely good it is a blank cheap restaurant and the food is extremely good reasonably reasonable reasoning reasoned take a time to answer the question please yeah take a time to answer the question please yes if you answer the question yes if you answer the question please ማን ብላችሁ መለሳችሁት reasonably ካላችሁ ልክ ነው it is a reasonably cheap restaurant reasonably which is an adverb it is a reasonably adverb ነው reasonable adjective አይደለም reasoning አይሆንም and reasoned ሊሆን አይችልም ስለዚህ it is a reasonably cheap restaurant reasonably adverb ነው verboችን ነው modify የሚያደርገው of course reasonably cheap restaurant reasonably ስንል the adjective cheap ነው የሚገልጽላችሁ please reasonably cheap reasonably plus adjective so the word reasonably modifies an adjective cheap so ነው የሚገልጽ reasonably extremely I'm extremely happy ካልኩኝ extremely adverb ነው happy የሚለውን adjective modify ያደርጋል ማለት ነው that's the reason please yeah question number 38 here question number 38 look the question here don't go up the ladder it doesn't look blank don't go up the ladder it doesn't look blank safely safe favor and safest take a short time to answer the question yeah don't go up the ladder it doesn't look what it doesn't look safe ካላችሁ በትክክል መልሳችሁታል it doesn't look safe adjective ነው it doesn't look safe safe adjective ነው ማን ነው የሚገልጽላችሁ it ነው ካልሆነ ደግሞ ስሙ ማን ነው ladder ነው pronoun antecedent ነው pronoun antecedent ይሄ referent ነው ይሄ antecedent ነው ስለዚህ safe የሚገልጸው it ነው በሌላ አገላለጽ ladder የሚለውን ስም ነው the answer is safe ብላችሁ it doesn't look safe በቃ በሰላሉን አትወጣ በትክክል የቆመ የተንተን ያለ ነገር አይመስለኝም ነው it doesn't look ማለት ያ I'm not surprised he didn't find a job he belonged tried በጣም interesting questions ናቸው እነዚህ I'm not surprised he didn't find a job he belonged tried yeah አይገርመኝም I'm not surprised he didn't get a job ምንም አይገርመኝም yes ስራ ማግኘት አልቻለም ወይም ስራ አላገኘም ነበር that's a negative implication for the sentence ስለዚህ በምን መገለጽ አለበት ይሄን ሐሳብ he blank he hard tried he harder tried he hardly tried he hardest tried ለባርጉ እዚህ ጋር ምን ከተው መልስ ከዚህ ሚኒንግ ጋር ተያያዥነት ያለው መሆን መቻል አለበት he hardly tried ማለት almost አልሞከረም ኔጌቲቭ ሚኒንግ ነው ያለው ማለት ነው he never tried he didn't try to find a job yes hardly almost negative ማለት ነው አልሞከረም ስላልሞከረ ስራ ማግኘት አልቻለም ነበር so I'm not surprised he didn't get a job of course because hardly tried when he didn't hardly looking for a job አላየም ማስታወቂያ ሲለጥፍ አላየም yeah that's right ስለዚህ መልሳችሁ ማለት ነው hardly hard positive meaning ነው ያለው hardly which is negative meaning I'm nearly always at home at the evenings yes look here I'm nearly always at home in the evenings I will go out yes hardly ever hard never hardly ever, hardly. Yeah, it's right. So what's the answer here? What's the answer here? I'm nearly always at home in the evenings. I blank go out. Yeah, if you answer actually hardly ever, positive ነው ልክ ነው። ምክንያቱም hardly ever እንዳትሉ hardly ኔጌቲቭ ነው። never ራሱ ኔጌቲቭ ናቸው። ሁለት ኔጌቲቭ ወርድ በአንድ ጋር ሊመጡ አይችሉም። hard everም impossible ነው። we cannot suggest like this meaningful አይደለም። hardly ማንልም hardly go out አትልም። hardly ever ማለት almost never ማለት ነው። ያ almost never ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ hardly ever structure ትክክል ነው። ይሄ ነው መልሳችን። the more tired you are blank you work. The more tired you are blank you work. Harder, the hardest, the harder, the more hard. So what is the answer here? What is the answer here, please? Yeah, if you answer the harder, you are completely right, because the question is parallel comparative. Parallel means there are two clauses here. The forms of the clauses are the same comparative structure, which means the plus comparative form and the plus comparative form, which is called parallel. Parallel comparative ማለት ሁለቱ ክሎዞች በኮማ ይለዩና ተመሳሳይ comparative structure ይጠቀማሉ። ያ ማለት the plus comparative degree ሁለተኛው ክሎዝ ላይ the plus comparative degree ይጠቀማሉ። ስለዚህ the more tired you are, the harder you work, right ነው። ስለዚህ መልሳችሁ ማን ነው? the harder። ሌሎቹ ሊሆኑ አይችሉ the hardest አንጠቀምም፣ the more hard አንጠቀምም፣ because hard short syllable word ነው፣ moreን አይጠቀምም ማለት ነው። nice it is. Question number 42. The movie was really boring. It is movie I have ever seen. Most boring. It's most boring film. Most boring, more boring. The most boring and the more boring here. The movie was really boring. It is blank. Yeah. So how can you answer the question, please? Nice. If you answer C, ልክ ነው። C, superlative degree, which goes sometimes with present perfect. ካየኋቸው ፊልሞች ውስጥ በጣም የመጨረሻው አስቀያሚና አስጠሊታ የሆነ ፊልም ይሄ ፊልም ነው። አይቼው የነበረው ፊልም ነው እያለን ያ so the movie was really boring. It is the most boring movie I have ever seen. ካየኋቸው ፊልሞች ውስጥ በጣም most worst የሆነ ፊልም ማለት ይማቱ። ስለዚህ superlative degree ከpresent perfect ጋር ሄዳል። ምክንያቱም ካየኋቸው የሚል ከብዙዎቹ የሚል ጥቅል ሐሳብ ጥቅል ቁጥር ስለሚገልጽልን that is true for superlative degree. Nice. Question number 43. Blank all our careful plans. A lot of things went wrong. Yes, right? Despite of. In spite of the fact that, while, in spite of. Take a time to answer the question, please. Hi, friends. Yeah. Yes, please. If you answer D, you got the answer. Right line you are. In spite of. In spite of. Despite. In spite of the fact that. Despite the fact that. And also, although, even though, even if. They are adverb clause of contrast or conjunction. They join two opposite ideas. But the different if, in spite of, and despite, although, even though is the structure of the sentence, the form of the sentence here. If you use about noun phrases, you can just use in spite of and despite without of. Look at this question. In spite of all our careful plans, this is called noun phrase. It's not a clause or limit. Clause እንዳይሆን verb የለውም እዚህ ጋር። ስለዚህ in spite of the fact that አይሆንም። while አይሆንም። despite of አይሆንም። ምክንያቱም despite of ነው አይወስድም። ስለዚህ ብቸኛ መልሳችን ማን ነው የሚሆነው? in spite of ነው። አንደኛ ክሎዝ አይደለም፣ ይሄ ፍሬዝ ነው ብያቸዋለሁ። ናውን ፍሬዝ ነው፣ ሐሳቡ ተቀራኒ ሐሳብ ነው። in spite of ነው የሚሆነው መልሳችን። in spite of the fact that ካልን despite the fact that ማለት ነው ክሎዝን ተከትሎ ነው። ክሎዝ ማለት at least subject plus verb structure ያለው ማለት ነው። nice. Please. Question number 44. We rang the doorbell again. They hadn't heard it the first time, even though, in case, until, even if. Yeah, actually these are conjunction questions. subordinating conjunctions. Yeah, what will be the answer here? If you answer in case, right, you are. On condition that ማለት in case ማለት ያ አይደል? የውጭ በሩን ደወል ደውዬዋለሁ in case የመጀመሪያውን ጥሪ ካልሰሙት ሁለተኛ ጊዜ ደውዬዋለሁ in case ምናልባት ለማለት on condition that probably not ማለት ነው probably not ማለት in case ማለት ሌሎች መልስ ሊሆኑ ስለማይችሉ ማለት ነው question number 45 blank you have to speak very quickly or he will not be able to understand you yes unless if not however although yes so what the answer here if you answer unless exactly conditional negative ማለት ነው ማለት conditional negative ነው if not አይደለም howeverም አይደለም although አይደለም ምክንያቱም although contradict idea ሲኖር ነው howeverም ተቃራኒ ሐሳብ ነው if not structure እንደዚህ አይደለም በጥቅሉ unless you have to speak very slowly or he will not be able to understand you that's right ስለዚህ መልሳችን ማን ነው የሚሆነው unless question 46 blank the weather is good we are going to have a picnic tomorrow unless providing despite and so conjunction questions ናቸው እነዚህም unless ምን ማለት ነው providing ምንድነው despite ምንድነው so ምንድነው yeah what be the answer here if you answer yes if you answer providing nice it is providing means if providing that provided that providing that provided that as long as so long as on condition that they do have the same meaning with the word if but the difference is the structure of the sentence if you have a if you are in a position to use for providing provided that and providing that we can just use present and present continuous እንጠቀምበታለን that's not always true for present and future tense ሁሉ ጊዜ ላይሆን ይችላል ስለዚህ በዚህ ኮንቴክስት የምንጠቀመው present and present continuous ለproviding providing that ለprovided and providing that provided that እንጠቀምባቸዋል ስለዚህ መልሱ ምንድነው የሚሆነው providing ማለት ነው unless negative meaning ነው ያለው despite አሁንም contradict ነው so result ነው የሚገልጸው result የሚገልጽ context አይደለም እዚህ ጋር ያለው ስለዚህ providing the weather is good we are going to have a picnic tomorrow ምን ማለት ነው ማለት if the weather is good we are going to have a picnic tomorrow ማለት ነው yes if the weather is good no sense የሚሰጠን ትርጉም ስለዚህ ማን ነው መልሳችሁ providing that which you insert or which it substitute with the word if actually but the difference as I told you before is the structure yeah question number 47 Helen sounded she had a cold didn't she yeah although as if while whatever nice if you answer as if absolutely right as if adverb clause of condition or subordinating condition no subordinating conjunction no condition ማለት ነው as if as though if unless providing so long as if exactly Helen sounded she had a cold didn't she as if ማለት unreality ነው የሚገልጸው አይደል unreality Helen sounded as if she had a cold didn't she yes የምትመስል Helen yes ጉፋን ያዛት ወይም ያመማት ይመስለኛል አላመማትም ነበርን ማለት ነው sounded means as if unreality ነው የሚገልጽልኝ he behaved as if he were a doctor she acts as she know the answer just like examples we can just use as if and as without a difference of meaning but although companies are different although አንጠቀም ራሱ እዚህ ጋር he looked she seemed he sounded ብለን የምንገልጽ ከሆነ as if እና as though የሚወስዱ ኮንቴክስቶች ናቸው unreality ሊገልጹ ምን ማለት ነው ማለት possibility ነው የሚገልጹ actually ግን possibility ማለት exactly surely ነው ማለት አይደለም there is it may or it may not ማለት ነው yes it may or it may not ማለት ነው ይሄን possibility ስለሚያሳይ ለዛ ነው as እዚህ ጋር ያመረጥንበት ምክንያት production at the factory was seriously affected the strike yeah while during when because of nice here while during when because of ማን ብላችሁ መለሳችሁልኝ አሁን ይሄን ማን ብላችሁ መለሰ during ካላችሁ ልክ ነው during yeah drink it's time adverb ነው actually conjunction of adverb ነው ግን ልዩነቱ ከነ while ምንድነው noun phrase ተከትሎ ወይም ናውኖችን ተከትሎ የሚሄደው like this bring the strikes yeah ለምሳሌ he broke his leg the player broke his leg during the game noun phrase ነው time ነው እግር ኳስ ተጫዋቹ እግር ኳስ ተሰጥቷ ሲጫወት እንደነበረ ጨዋታ ላይ ያለ I fell asleep during the meeting I fell down during climbing the ladder I fell down during the climbing the ladder yes መሰላውን እየወጣው ያለው ወድቅ ያለው during phraseዎቹን what kind of phrase noun phrase ወይም noun ተከትሎ የሚሄድ time adverb ነው ከwhile ይገለያል while clause ነው ተከትሎ የሚሄደው while subject plus verb structure ተከትሎ ይሄዳል during ደግሞ phrase ተከትሎ ይሄዳል ሁለቱም ግሩፓቸው adverbs of time ናቸው ስለዚህ መልሳችን ማን ነው የሚሆነው during ብለን መልሳለን question number 49 he is late again it is typical him to keep everybody waiting yes at on of in the question is here I don't know anyway I don't want to give clues here after you try to answer the question I'll give true if you answer of typical plus the correct or fixed preposition of no typical የሚለው ቃል adjective ነው fixed preposition ማለት ነው የሚሆነው of ነው ሁሉ ጊዜ አስከትሎ የሚሄድ typical of ነው ምንድነው በትክክል ይመስላል ነው it's typical of him to keep everybody waiting yeah typical in አንልም fixed preposition ነው yeah I kept Danny my phone number I want him to able to contact me yes I gave Tani my phone number blank I want him to able to contact me as if thought that actually these are adverb questions so what should be the answer here I think you know as if and you know so as to and you know so that yeah if you answer actually so that right you are please so that ከመነሳችሁ ትክክል ነው ምክንያቱም so that ማለት purpose ናቸው ሁለቱም so as to in order to and so that in order that adverb clause of purpose nature but the way that we use for making a sentence completely different so as to in order to they are followed by verbs so that in order that and that they are followed by the that clause in ተከትሎ ይሄዳሉ but the implication that we use is the same because they describe or they say something about the purpose why we do something we have our purpose so the purpose can be emphasized well the purpose clause can be emphasized with this adverb of purpose so that exactly one thing and if the principal verb is simple past and the purpose clause will be simple past that's true please በርግጥ ሶስት አራት ህጎች አሉት ወደዛ ውስጥ ባልገባ ጥሩ ነው 51 I want to go out alone but John insisted on with me to go so what will be the answer here if you answer going see absolutely you are on the right track ልክ ናችሁ ምክንያቱም አንድ ምክንያት ብቻ ነው insisted which is participle adjective ነው what about in preposition ነው ከዚህ ቀጥሎ የሚገባው ቃል ሁሉ ጊዜ gerund ወይም ing ብቻ ነው የሚሆነው በዛ መልኩ ነው የሚገለጠው ሁሉ ጊዜ ነው I insisted on going yes he is good at speaking English or he is tired of doing something I congratulate for joining the university congratulate for joining insisted on paying and also ልክ እንዲህ አይነት adjectives plus preposition the next word to be written as gerund form ሁሉ ጊዜ subject ማለት sentence pattern ናቸው እነዚህ ለዛ ነው going የምንጠቀመው ምክንያቱም እዚህ ጋር preposition አለ gerund ነው የምንጠቀመው ሁሉ ጊዜ an infinitive plus gerund wrong ነው እንዲህ አይነት structure የለንም when I was a child I hated to bed early I hated going to I hated to go here take your time to answer the question please yeah if you answer a ካላችሁ ልክ ነው a ነው ልክ ነው because asking likes and dislikes ነው ይሄ likes and dislikes word ናቸው asking likes and dislikes ሁለት ፎርም አላቸው to plus verb one or gerund form but the meaning is different meaningቸው ይለያያል ሁለቱንም verb pattern ይወስዳሉ gerundን ይወስዳሉ ኢንፊኒቲቭ ፕላስ ቤስ ፎርም ኦፍ ዘ ቨርብን ይወስዳሉ ትርጉማቸው ግን የተለያዩ ስለዚህ ለምሳሌ I like dancing of course I like to dance of course I like dancing means I enjoy dancing I always enjoy dancing ነው It's not my first time to enjoy dancing ማለት አይደለም my favorite game my favorite exercise for dancing yeah I like to dance ካልኩኝ I like to dance ካልኩኝ I'm not enjoying a dance but I have a hobby to be a dancer or I'm going to dance ፕላን አለኝ ዳንስ ለመደነስ ሆቢን ለማድረግ እሱን ፕላን አለኝ ነው ስለዚህ ሁለቱ ትርጉማቸው ይላዩ ሁለቱን ቨርብ ፓተርኖች ግን ተከትለው ይላል ለዛ ነው going ያለው I hated ማለት I hate ለምሳሌ I hate to speak English I hate speaking English እጠላለሁ I don't like to enjoy speaking English ማለት I hate to speak ካልኩ ደግሞ I have a plan but at the time I don't speak ማለት at the time እጠላለሁ ማለት አለ ግን ወደፊት እጠላለሁ ነው አይደል I hate speaking ማለት ከዚህ በፊት ማልናገርም አሁን አልናገርም በቃ እጠላለሁ ነው forever እጠላለሁ I hate speaking ካልኩኝ ስለዚህ ትርጉማቸው ይለያያል ግን ሁለቱንም ስትራክቸሮች መውሰድ ይችላሉ እነዚህ asking likes and dislikes or expressing likes and dislikes የምንላቸው ቨርቦች exactly nice fifth three the driver of one of the cars admitted the accident caused to cause causing and to causing the question is verb pattern question verb you only focus on one word not the whole sentence actually if you are active enough and wonderful enough focus on one word nice it is if you answer causing exactly because of admitted enjoy worse mind risk or would like go on postpone they are verb ing verbs ናቸው እነዚህ የዘረዘርኳቸውን verb የምንጠቀም ከሆነ ከነሱ ቀጥሎ የሚገለጸው verb ሁሉ ጊዜ በጀረንድ ፎርም ብቻና ብቻ መሆን አለበት ስለዚህ ለምሳሌ the thief admitted stealing the money ነው admitted plus ing true ነው ስለዚህ admitted plus causing ለዚህ ነው አንድ ቃል ብቻ ፎከስ አድርጉ እንጂ the whole sentence ማየት አይገባችሁ አንዳንድ ጊዜ አክቲቭ ሆኑ ማለት ለዛ ነው nice 54 I waved yes yeah I waved to Karen but failed blank her attention to attracting yeah yes come on please what the answer here if you answer to attract exactly nice please because failed takes plus 2 plus verb form እሱ ነው ተከትሎ የሚሄደው ሌሎችን ስትራክቸሮች verb pattern ተከትሎ አይሄድም ማለት ነው don't believe it command question yeah want you will you do you are you as this on tag question actually we have two basic rules positive plus negative plus positive except for commands yeah ስለዚህ መልሳችሁ ማን ነው will you ካላችሁ ልክ ናቸው whatever the commands negative and positive is always will you ኮማንዱ ኔጌቲቭ የሚሆን ፖዚቲቭ will you ነው የምትጠቀምበት let የምንጠቀምበት shall we ነው የምትጠቀምበት let us do it shall we that question shall we ሁሉ ጊዜ let us do it shall we እኔንም ስለሚጨምር ማለት ነው ይሄ ነው justificationአችሁ that's question number 56 the plan blank a secret but everybody seems to know about it supposed to it's supposed to be the plan yeah exactly yeah what will be the answer maybe the question is a little bit late a little bit tough yeah it's supposed to be nice it's supposed to be this is passive questions yeah intended to be ለማለት ነው yeah the plan is intended to be a secret but everybody seems to know about it it's supposed to be the plan እዚህ ጋር suppose ካላችሁ እኮ የሚጎለው ነገር አለ ማለት ነው supposed ካላችሁ አሁን የሚጎለው ነገር አለ supposed to be ካላችሁ የሚጎለው ነገር አለ ስለዚህ be forms of verbs ገቡ ማለት past present passive voice it's supposed to be means it's intended to be ለማለት ነው yes is inclined to be ለማለት እኮ ነው it's supposed to be ስንል nice question number 57 the park gates at 6:30 p.m. every evening are locked and were locked nice what will be the answer here nice yeah if you answer still are locked ካላችሁ አሁንም በትክክለኛው መስመር ላይ ነው ያላችሁ ምክንያቱም you are talking about the gates yeah not which is the agent the receiver the action but not the door action አይደለ the part gets because ተደራጊ ነው ነገር አለ unlocked ነው የምትሉት at 6:30 and every evening ልክ ነው unlocking አይደለም ይዘጋል ነው we're locked አይደለም ምክንያቱም 6:30 every evening እያለ past passive voice complete አታደርጉትም እዚህ at 6:30 every evening ማለት present passive voice ተጠቀሙ ነው ለምን passive voice ነው because you are working about the object the receiver the action ምንም አያሻማንም ይሄ ማለት ነው question number 58 Richard blank went assured to work but he does have to don't have to didn't need to doesn't have to please Richard blank here assured to work but he usually does exactly if you answer the answer here doesn't have to ካላችሁ ልክ ነው doesn't have to yes look here have to has to አለን have to and has to ይሄ ማለት doesn't have to ማለት doesn't have to wear ካለ he can if you want ማለት እኮ doesn't have to ማለት doesn't need ማለት እኮ ነው yes doesn't need or do not need ማለት ነው ግን ልዩነቱ ምንድነው doesn't have to ካለ it's not necessary to wear ማለት ነው he can if you want ግን ማለት ነው ማለት doesn't have to ካለ ከፈለገ ይችላል ማለት ነው ልዩነቱ ከdoesn't need to እና ከdon't need to ልዩነቱ doesn't need to I don't need to go outside because I don't have a work it's not necessary to go outside because I don't have a work እችላለሁ ማለት አለ ዛሬ ወደ ውጭ መሄድ አስፈላጊ ምክንያቱም ስራ ያለኝ ነው I don't have to go outside ብል ለምሳሌ it's not necessary to go outside but I can if I want don't have to and doesn't have to ትርጉም አለው even though they have the same meaning with don't need to and doesn't need to ከተመሳሳይ ትርጉም ቢኖራቸውም ግን don't have to እና doesn't have to መስራት ተመልሶ እንደሚችል ያስረዳናል ለዚህ ነው doesn't have to ብለን ማለት ለምን ሪቻርድ he ማለት ነው he doesn't have to ነው የምትሉት she doesn't have to ነው ብዙ እኮ ደግሞ they don't have to ነው ይሄን ለምሳሌ they don't have to the boys don't have to the girls don't have to we don't have to ነው የምንለው ትርጉማቸው አሁን የነገርኳችሁን ትርጉሙን ያመጣብናል ለማለት ፈልጌ ነው please nice question number 59 she was sitting on the ground she was out of breath she blank the question is 10 types of question actually here she was running she had run she had been running and she is running all right take a time to answer the question please here nice if you answer here had been running absolutely right because the question is past perfect continuous tense because she was sitting on the ground yes she was out of breath yes maybe this is sometimes the result of the one tense result ሊሆን ይችላል she was sitting on the ground she was out of ደክሟት ነበር መሬት ላይ ተቀምጣ የነበረው ለምን she had been running long distance በጣም ረጅም ርቀት ስትሮጥ ቆይታ ስለነበር ደክሟት መሬት ላይ ተቀምጣለች ሪዘልቱ መቀመጧ መድከሙ ነው እሱ ይሄ ሪዘልት መኖሩ past perfect continuous tense እንድትጠቀም ያስገድናል ይሄ ማለት ምንድነው something had been taking place in a certain time in the past sometimes it has a result and the result was connected with the past not the present sometimes it doesn't have any result and there might be sometimes two clauses found one is the past perfect continuous the other may be the simple past or the past continuous during this circumstance the past perfect continuous is inappropriate tense continuous here ሌሎቹ ሊሆኑ አይችሉም ማለት ነው ይሄ አይሆንም was continuous had run ሊሆን አይችልም that is the rationale behind it please so the answer is C she's not here now she belonged to Italy for holiday she's not here now she is to Italy for holiday had gone has gone again had been nice you can just guess it use your experience to answer the question this is a tense question actually all right nice please nice it is if you answer B ብላችሁ ከመለሳችሁ በጣም ጎበዞች ናችሁ ማለት ነው ምክንያት she's not here ነው አለን እዚህ ጋር አለው she's not here ነው እዚህ ጋር አይደለችም she's not in Addis she's not in Hawassa she's not in Haromaye she has gone to Italy for holiday has gone to ማለት she is in Italy ማለት ነች she is not in Addis ማለት ነው አይደል she is not in Addis ነው she has been ስንል ደግሞ she is not in Italy but she came back from Italy and she is in አዲስ ነው ማለት ነው ሁለት ልዩነታቸው ስለዚህ she is not here ማለት she has left the town she is in Italy for holiday ስለዚህ መልሳችሁ ማለት has gone ማለት ነው የhas been እና የhas gone ልዩነት ይሄ ነው የhas been እና የhas gone ልዩነት so the answer is has gone these are the 60 grammar questions I think I try to give clear explanation by giving time to use your experience how much you are clever enough to answer the questions and I give clear justification for each grammar question and all the grammar questions are from different topics I hope my YouTube or this video is very much important to improve your English language skills especially for your grammar skills I hope you watched you enjoyed you passed your time in watching my YouTube and you express your feeling by writing your critical and smart comments to Mr. Kabada. That's what I want to say to you. I think there is a second part, the second and very important part of or part 2 of the grammar question consisting of the writing skill, the reading skill and the communicative skills. For the time being, thank you. But I would like to remind you, subscribe, like, share and write comments. I'm Mr. Kabada from 5 English. Goodbye.